Hey there, this is Tim Verdouw from timverdouw.com. Thank you for checking out my InstantBiz review. Today I'm going to show you what InstantBiz is. I'm going to give you a live demo of this cloud-based software. We're going to discuss the upsells and the pricing of this product, and also I'm going to show you my bonuses that I'm going to give away as a special thank you for getting this product through my link. Now I got a very special bonus that nobody else is offering that you definitely will like when you get InstantBiz. So stay tuned as I will explain what that specific bonus is all about. But first, let's dive into the product. Let me show you what this product is and what it does and how you can use it in your online business. So right now, this is the members area. Once you are logged in, this is what you will see. And it consists out of multiple things. As you see here at the left top, you see landing pages, you see lists. You already see I have a list. When I click on landing page, you see I already created 2 landing pages. We have lists where we can build our own list. We got pop-ups. And then there is another tab which will not be active in the actual product. That's what the product vendor told me, that will not be included in this product. That's for their own use. So we have to do with 3 things: the landing pages, the lists, and the pop-ups. Now, what is InstantBiz? InstantBiz is a landing page builder that lets you build landing pages really, really easy. I really like this product. I've tested it today, went through it, and I really like what I've seen so far. So let me show you how you can create landing pages. You can see here are already 2 landing pages, but we're going to create a new one. And you simply do that by clicking on this button at the right top. And what you will see is that you get different templates that you can choose from, or different categories. So right here you can say, okay, I want to create a sales page. Then you select this one, and then you get to see templates for sales pages. There are some templates that you can use that you can start off with. If you don't like to build sales page, but you want to have company page or deals pages, you simply select this one, and then you can see you got the deals pages. When you click on preview, you will also see a preview of this specific page, so that you can choose if you want to use that, yes or no. So when you create a landing page, you can see all different kind of categories. Also here, the personal. Personally, I like this one. This is, I'm pretty zoomed in. Normally you would see something like this. As you can see, this has a video in the background. This is for a simple page, a personal page where people can contact you. But let's build a normal, let's say a sales page. So we select a sales page. And now we can choose from these templates you're seeing here. So again, you can click on the preview. So you can preview this page and to see if you like this page, if you want to use this page. And if this is something that you like, you can simply select this in here. You can say preview or select this page, and then it will use this specific design. So let's go for this design. Let's say select, and let's call this fitness. The fitness page. When I click OK, as you can see right here, the page is ready, and I can modify this page to my own needs. Like I want to create this page. Now, how this works is you see all different kinds of icons in here, and these icons allow you to modify each of this specific part of the website. So when I click on this icon here, I can say I want to have a different background. So right now we have a black background, and I also can choose to make this a white background. As you can see, right now it's updated, but I need to change the text. As you can see, the text was white, so I can select the text and I can say, okay, the text needs to be black right now. As you can see, it already changes. Looks pretty good in my opinion. And here also I think there was a button, so you can modify this link also, where you can say, okay, I also want to have a different color. Let's take an orange color. And then each button that's on the page, so let's update this. As you can see, get it now. You see there are buttons on this page, and each button, each specific area can be modified. So when you see a button in here, you simply click on this little icon and you can change the button. So right now you can forward this to a specific URL. You can target another window, so when people click on that link, it will open in a new window or not. But you can also say when people click on a specific link, you want to get them to an opt-in form that you've created with InstantBiz. So I created one opt-in now. I can select that, but we're going to dive into the opt-ins later. So I will show you how you can do that, or you can link that to a V card also. So let's choose an opt-in form right now. Oh, I'm accidentally zoomed in. And you click on update, and right now this button is linked. And again, if you want to change colors, you can simply go to this thing and make it a blue color, and you can update it. There are also some more options, like you want to have an XL button. As you can see, it becomes a lot bigger, or maybe you want to have a pill. You see, then this button changes also. So there are some multiple options that you can choose from within each block that you add to a page. Now, when you create a page, this is a very short page, and maybe you say, okay, I want to have a longer page because I need to add more info to this page. Then you can simply go to this right button. Let me see if you can see that. No, you cannot see that because I'm on top of it right now. So right here at the right side of your screen, you see this little button here, this pink button. When you click on that pink button, you can also say insert block. And right now you see all these blocks in here. Let me get myself off the screen 1 second. So you see all these blocks in here that you can use. So you can add a header, you can add a column, you can add some content, or maybe you want to have a video block or a photo block or a call to action. So these are the extra blocks that you can add to this. So if I say I want to add content to it, I get all different kinds of content blocks that I can add. So as you can see, this is a full width content block that I can choose. And if I choose that, as you can see right now, my page is being enlarged right now. So I can also say, okay, I want to have this content black again. So you simply select this text. You can change this text, of course, you can type in here. You can do all different kind of things. So right now I can also say I want to have a black text, and then I'll go to this specific area and I can change the background to a nice black color again, or a white color, sorry. As you can see right now, I think this looks pretty cool. I can make a real nice website with InstantBiz. As you can see here, you can change things. You can also link things to other websites. For example, you can input a link in here, and you can say, okay, I want to have this in a new window or not. And you click OK, and then your link is in here. And this way you can create some nice web pages. And again, each thing can be changed. So right now the background is an image, but you also can upload another image. This is the image that's being used right now, but you can also simply use another image as a background. And again, for these social media icons, you can also modify this list, and you can upload, or you can add your own social media. So right now this is Twitter, Facebook, and Google+, but you can also delete because Google+ is not in there anymore. And you can add your own, you can add an email, but you can also change these icons. There are a lot of icons in here, as you can see, that you can choose from. You can accept one of these icons, and then you can link that to that specific icon. And then you update the file, and then it's changed in the background here also. So let me see if there's more to tell about this page builder. You simply add blocks. So right now I would add a black block. So insert a block. You can say, okay, I want to have a photos block, for example. So you click that, and then you can choose what kind of photo block you would like to have. So we can say, I want to have a block like this again. As you can see, the only thing that we have to change is the background again to a nice black color. As you can see right now, it looks pretty cool. Oh, I didn't change that correctly. Let me put that to black 00. Let me see, did I do it right now? It's not black, come on. Let's see if I do it right. Somehow it's not listening to me. Maybe I can do it also like this, 000. Update. Yes, now it's black, you see, it works. So here you can change your photo again. Well, you get the point. You can also do some shadows on photos. You can do a rounded like this. There are many options that you can choose from. The shape, bordered, so there's a border around this photograph, visible or not visible, not sure why they give this option, but you can choose to do that. And as you can see, I get a real nice page. So once I've done, I go to save and publish in here, and right now my page is published and I can use this page. So when I go to my landing page, you will now see that I have 3 landing pages. And as you can see, there's a nice preview of this page. It looks really slick. Let me get myself back in the picture in here. As you can see, it looks really, really cool. And you can click on this here. You see visit online. Visits. So as you can see here, you can see exactly how many visits there were on this page, as you can see here, but also the conversions. I'll come back to that within a second, because the conversions show you how many opt-ins you've got on this specific page. Right here, you can see this website by clicking visit online. So let me click on that visit online, and that will open this specific web page. And as you can see, this is the website that we just created, and it looks pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed by what you can make with this product. Now, as you can see here at the top, I don't know if you can see this, but it says members.instantbiz.co LP and then a long sentence after it. Now, I definitely will get the questions from people if there is an option to run this on your own domain. And that's one of the downsides of InstantBiz, that this cannot be run on your own domain. It's at least not as far as I can see. I go through the settings in here and I cannot see where you can do that as your own domain. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to give you a bonus if you decide to purchase this through my link. Then I'm going to show you how you can get all these pages on a new domain or on an existing domain, so you can host these pages on your own domain. So when people go to your website, and here is an example. This is my website. It's called timverdouw.com /travel install. And as you can see, this is my website. And when I click on join for free, this is a pop-up. I'm going to show you in a second how that works. By the way, I need to be in incognito screen to let this work. Otherwise, because I'm logged in, it will not work for me. So right now, this is a pop-up that shows up. That's possible, but you can also click here, join for free, and then let's say john@gmails.com. And right now I say update, and as you can see, I also have a thank you page, and everything is on my own domain. As you can see here, timverdouw.com /instantbiz. I'm going to give you a bonus. If you get this product, I'm going to show you how you can do this very easily yourself to get these pages from InstantBiz that you're seeing right here, how you can get these on your own domain. Because a lot of people will like to do that. If you build pages for clients, for example, I'm going to show you how you can get these pages that you create in here, how you can get these on the domains of your clients. I think that's the best bonus I have to offer, which will be pretty cool. So this is the page part. Now there's also a list part in here where you can build different kind of lists with InstantBiz. How does that work? Well, you can create a form. When you click on create form, you have 2 options. You can create contact forms so that people can contact you on your website, or you can let them opt in to a list. In both ways, they will be added to your list. So when you do an opt-in, for example, you can select this opt-in, and then you got 3 specific opt-in forms that you can use. So this is one, this is an opt-in form that you can choose. This is another one that you can choose from. And this is a third one that you can use. And these can also be modified. So let's say I like this third one. I can say, okay, I'm going to select this specific opt-in, and I'm going to call this opt-in fitness, and then say okay. Right now, this is the fitness opt-in page, and I can also change here the settings. I can change the preview online, the positions, etc. But I also can change this photograph again. I can modify this image and then upload my own image. I can change the text in here. I can add some specific text, And then here at the bottom, I can choose here when I go to form, I can go to form settings, and here I can choose where I want to redirect people. So I can show a simple thank you message where nothing happens, but just a thank you message. But I can also redirect them to one of the pages that I've created within InstantBiz. So for example, if this is a thank you page that you've created, you can say, okay, once somebody has opted in, I want to redirect them to this thank you page. Or if you want to redirect them to an external domain, you can also do that simply by clicking here, by sending them to this redirect URL. So in this case, we're going to simply use this show message, thank you, and we're going to update this opt-in. Don't forget to save and publish this opt-in, and right now it's published. Now, how does that work? When we go back to our landing page, we go back to our fitness page. I can here go to edit landing pages, but what I have to do first is go to Popups, as you can see here. List, sorry, no, this is the list. I forgot, I thought I was in the Popups. I'm going to show you the Popups in a second. When I go to my fitness page, I'm going to edit this landing page, and what I can do here, for example, if they can get a free sample of a protein shaker, for example, I can change this specific button and I can say modify link, and I can say get your free bottle, for example. And then I can say I want to link this to my opt-in fitness form, and then I can update this. And what now happens is when people click this button, they need to subscribe here to get that free bottle. Of course, you need to change this opt-in form to that bottle, etc. But you get the idea that you can link these opt-in forms straight to the buttons on your page. And a two-step opt-in form always works better than a direct sign-up form on your website. So you simply click here so they can opt in to your website. Now this is one part. The second part is the list that you can build. So you can also build a contact form the same way. The third part of InstantBiz is your pop-ups. So when you click on create pop-up, you can create a pop-up in here. So let's give this a fitness pop-up name. It is active. And here you can say where does the URL needs to come from. Well, this simply works like this. You first need to create a list in here, like I showed you a minute ago, and then you can choose from these forms. So right now I want to use this opt-in fitness pop-up, the same pop-up that we just saw, that we just created. And again, you can create multiple pop-ups, but here you can choose which pop-up to use, and then it will use that specific URL, or you can put a URL, an external URL in here that you want to use. Now here you can trigger on page load. So that means that when a specific page is being loaded, so when you visit a website, this pop-up will show up. On page leave, when people leave your website, or after they've scrolled a certain percentage, you can say when somebody scrolled for 40%, for example, I want to show this pop-up. But I want to have it on page leave. When people leave my website, I want this pop-up to show up. And then here a delay. Well, there's no delay with a leave. You can do that delay when people visit your website. And then here show, you can put this show to 0 if you want to show this unlimited time. So every time somebody visits your website and exits your website, this will be shown. You can also limit that to 1 time or some more. And then here you they have the different styling. So here you can also show the pop-up, how it looks like. So this is the pop-up that we just created. You can say, I want to have this to the right bottom, or you can change the width and the height. You can also change the backdrop, so you can make it a little bit more dark, etc. But once you've done, you can say create. And right now you see a little piece of code in here. So this script code, the only thing that you need to do to get this working is you copy this code, and then you go to your landing pages, and then you go to your fitness page, and here you have the option to edit this page as HTML. Now you need to do that because you need to put that script that we just copied in here. So here, before the head ends, as you can see in here, it says head, you need to put that code in there. So you're simply going to paste that in here. You say paste, and then once you're done, you're going to save this page. Now I'm zoomed out somehow. Let me see if I can get my page back. No, here at the right top, you say save and publish. I was wrong. So when we go back to our landing page now, and I'm going to visit that specific page again, as you can see here, this is my fitness page. Somebody visits my website. Now, when somebody tries to leave, as you can see, this pop-up shows up immediately. And that is how you can use the pop-up builder of InstantBiz. So these are the three areas in InstantBiz. You build landing pages, you can build lists, and you can build pop-ups where people will be getting the pop-up when they exit your page or scroll your page or when they land on your specific page. That is how this product works. Now let me show you the upsells in the funnel, which you can expect when you buy InstantBiz. Right now, during launch, this product only will cost you $16.95. Personally, I really have no idea how people can produce products like this for a one-time price of $16.95. That's what this product will cost you. Then you got the things that I just showed you. At least that's what I got access to in the review access. Then there's a OTO 1 Pro, which is a bunch of extra features to make the software even more powerful. So honestly, I cannot say what these extra features are because they don't announce it in here. Then we got the second upsell. The first upsell is $37, by the way. The second upsell is the SEO X Business add-on. After you sell people the websites, the next thing that they will need is a great SEO optimization. And with this upgrade, you can now offer SEO services to your clients. And the app does all the hard work for you. It's all done for you. So that's something to do with SEO. The OTO 3 is reseller license. The second OTO is $27, by the way. The third SEO is $42, which will give you reseller's license where you can resell InstantBiz and keep 100% of the profit. So for $42, you can sell this application and just get 100% profits. You can even sell this to your clients. And then for $97, you get InstantBiz BTS memberships. With this upsell, you will get instant access to InstantBiz Born to Sell membership, where you will get instant access to all of Radu's apps and software, marketing trainings, SEO trainings, and much, much more. So that's what the upsells are all about. Now, and again, my bonuses, I don't have all my bonuses ready yet, but I'm going to give you a bunch of bonuses also. But one of my bonuses that you definitely want to have with InstantBiz is that you can run InstantBiz on your own website. I'm going to show you how you can run InstantBiz on your own domain so that you're not limited to this specific members.instantbiz.co. Personally, I don't think that's very professional. I mean, when I visit this URL, this would be your website, members.instantbiz.co/LP/WAPPRA. Not very professional, and especially not when you're going to use this application for clients. I'm going to show you how you can use this application and get these pages on brand new domains, or how you can get these pages on existing domains. So that is what my review of InstantBiz is all about. Make sure you click the link below this video to check out my bonuses. And if you want to get my bonus, you will visit and land on my website. Just simply click on one of the buttons on my website where you can purchase this product, and you will get access to my bonuses. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them in the comments below or contact me on the chat on my website. I'll be happy to help you. And thank you for watching my InstantBiz review. And I hope to see you in my future videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.